What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're doing a catch and cook. Probably the most requested video, like, by far. I mean, I get so many suggestions and everyone's always like, hey, do catch and cook, hey, do catch and cook, catch and cook, catch and cook, catch and cook, catch and cook. So I'm doing a catch and cook. You guys ask and you shall receive. Most requested video of all time on my channel. And I'm very excited. I hope I don't disappoint. Again, I've never done this before. I've literally never done a catch and cook. I've never filleted a fish. I've been watching non-stop videos learning how to do it just so I wouldn't completely fail today. So drop any comments in the suggestion box down below. And it's not really a suggestion box, it's just kind of a, you know, comment section. Comment down below. Be like, hey Becca, you didn't fillet the fish completely right. Okay, cool, let me know how I can change that. But keep them positive, alright? Positive comments are only allowed on this channel, my guy. But without further ado, we have pulled up to the pond. I have the cooler all set up and we're gonna see how today goes. Could go good, could go bad. I don't really know. But yeah, okay, we could do normal catch and cook, but we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I have no bait on me whatsoever. So we're gonna do finding your own bait. Catch and cook, find your own pond. Stay tuned because this episode is about to be juicy. Catch you guys in a little bit. All right, first things first is try to find some bait. All right, let's literally just try like on this hill. Cause it's pretty moist down here. I don't know. Let's try down here. Usually for worms, you don't usually have to dig that deep for them. They just like to be like right under something wet and big or any type of structure. Oh, there we go. Finally. Took us long enough, but worm number one. Oh, what's this? That's a worm, isn't it? Hell yeah. All right, 2 worms. Oh, just broke the cooler. Yep. All right, let's see if our friends are over here. Oh, yep, I just spooked so many. So many, I just spooked like at least 50. Oh, we got something. We're hooked up, let's see. Oh man, he's stuck. Woo! You were stuck for a minute there, buddy. All right, we got bluegill. What do you guys think? That's eating size? I don't know. I don't think he. Ooh, buddy, do you want me to release you? What's good? I want, like, he's close, but he needs to be just a little bigger. So we're gonna get a release on this guy. And he is off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is not. Yes! Woo! Look at that bad boy. Woo! We're keeping this one. All right, fish number 1. Oh my God. I believe this is a red breast. Stop it. I believe this is a red breast sunfish. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna rinse her off because she's a little crazy. Okay, this is fish number 1, red breast sunfish. Check. In the cooler you go. There she goes. All right, fish number 1 done. It's time to get back out there. Yay! Oh, massive bluegill, massive bluegill, massive. Get up in here. Yes! Oh my God. Whew. He's not massive. I completely exaggerated, but from what we've been catching, yes, this guy is a decent bluegill. We gotta, oops, I forgot my bait. Dude, this bluegill is literally still alive. What are you doing? 2 bluegill for dinner. Yeah. All right, we're taking our fish. Oh yeah. All right, we're good. All right, well, me and our fish friends are gonna head home and I'll catch you guys in the kitchen. Hi. Say what's up, Becca's YouTube channel. That's Callie. And this is Sky. Sky, come here. No. All right. What's up? We made it back to my house. So we have the 2 fish right here. I believe when you're filleting smaller fish, you're supposed to have a smaller knife, but this is the only fillet knife that I have. So we're just gonna see how this goes, and hopefully we don't suck. All right, I just watched a video on this. So first, we want to make a cut right behind their pectoral fin, just like so. Wow, this knife is so bad. All right, we're switching up knives. Hold on. All right, this knife sucks. We're gonna try this one. So you make just a little incision behind the pectoral fin, and then you're gonna wanna make your cut. And then I'm gonna take my knife, and I can feel it hitting the ribs. So you wanna keep it just like that, and you wanna keep going down. Let the knife do the work. And then I get to this point, and I'm gonna go like this. Again, let the knife do the work. There we go. Then we're gonna do it to the other side as well. Wow, look at all that extra meat left over. That is so bad. That was pretty bad. So in case you guys were wondering, this is the only piece of meat that I got from that fillet. Damn, that was pretty bad. All right, let's try again on the other side. Okay, I think I made fewer mistakes towards the end, but we are not left with a lot of meat. Yikes. All right, we're gonna make this nice and simple. All right, so all we're doing is we're just doing a simple like butter and lemon. That's it. I want to be able to taste this fish as best as possible. So, wow, there's so much in there to eat. Wow. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. And then a little bit of pepper. All right, all right, all right. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Just a little bit of lemon. That's it. That you don't want too much lemon at all. It's gonna take away a lot of the flavor. Hi! What's up? What's up? What's up? Do you think the bluegill's gonna taste good? No? Okay. Sky, what do you think? Do you think my bluegill's gonna taste good? Yeah? No? Okay. This could taste good or it could taste bad. I don't know. We'll see. It's bluegill. It can't be that bad. Wait. There we go. The moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, wow. Oh my god. No freaking way, dude. Dude, that's actually like really freaking good. I'm not even kidding. I mean that's all the meat that we have, but oh my god. Oh wow. I'm not kidding. Like, I wouldn't lie. If it was bad, I would tell you guys, but wow. That was really freaking good. If you guys enjoyed today's Catch and Cook, make sure to comment down below if you want to see another one. Hit that red subscribe button, and to let me know if you guys liked this video. Yes, you can comment, but hit that like button. Hitting that like button shows me that you guys really enjoyed this video. Comment down below suggestions on how to get better at filleting fish, because I got better towards the end, but it wasn't as like, it wasn't my potential. I think we could have gotten better. Hit the red subscribe button. Right now, we are absolutely killing it. We're skyrocketing in numbers, and let's keep that up. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you so much times 1,000, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.